Hi everyone. We will understand liquid modernity and its application in this video. The concept of liquid modernity was given by Zygmunt Bauman. It simply meant to describe the contemporary phase of modernity, which is marked by uncertainty, fluidity, and constant changes. Earlier in the solid phase of modernity, it was characterized by stable institutions, norms, and long-term commitments. With liquid modernity, the characteristic of world has changed, where structures, relationships, and even identities are flexible and ever changing. Now let's see the application of this term in the Sociology Means 2022 paper 2 question. The question is, discuss how globalization has impacted the institution of family and marriage in India. So the Bauman concept can be used to analyze how globalization has led to the weakening of traditional solid structure of family and marriage in India. With the rise of individualization and the fluidity in social roles, relationships such as marriage have become more transactional, more temporary, and prone to change. And this shift can be signified from the rise in love marriages, divorce, cohabitation. Another application is in UPSC Sociology 2019 paper 1 question, explain the changing nature of work and its impact on class structure in the capitalist society. So this concept can be utilized to showcase how the liquid modernity has led to transition in the nature of work in contemporary capitalist society. From the earlier long-term stable kinds of jobs, now the jobs are more precarious, temporary, and flexible, and this has impacted even the individual has to adapt. If they're not able to adapt, or if they are constantly fired, there is increasing alienation. You can now utilize the Marxian concept. With the use of such terms, you can enhance at least 20 to 25 marks in your sociology paper 1 paper 2. These terms are very handy to be used in introduction, conclusion, and to even make your answer sociological. Thank you very much.